Hello, welcome to the second video in a 6-part series where we will teach you how to enter data for the QuiCR Registry. This video will guide you through the process of entering a new patient into the QuiCR Registry. Before we begin, please ensure that you have successfully logged into the QuiCR Registry. For instructions on how to log in, please view part 1 of the video series. To add a new patient, begin by clicking on the Home button on the top left-hand corner of any page and then click New. You will be redirected to the Find or Add Patient page. Here, you will be able to add a new patient into the QuiCR Registry. This is also the first page that is displayed after logging on to the registry. Mandatory fields are indicated by an asterisk. Begin by typing the patient's last name and first name in the provided fields. If the patient has a middle name, type the middle initials in the provided field. We will then fill in the date of birth of the patient. You can either do this by typing the date in the box or clicking on the box and selecting the date using the Date Selector tool. Next, select the patient's sex. Sex can be either of two main categories, male and female. Choose the patient's sex on the basis of genetics. If sex is unknown, select Undetermined. Race is the group the patient is related by common descent or heredity as self-described. If your site has not historically collected data about the patient's race, and/or you are unsure of the race, select Undetermined. Next, fill in the personal health number and select the appropriate personal health number type. Finally, add the patient's medical record numbers in the appropriate fields. If the patient was transferred to your site from a community hospital, enter the medical record numbers for those sites as well. To add additional medical record numbers, please click Add Additional Hospital/Healthcare Center Numbers. Once you have completed filling out the Find and Add Patient page, click Continue to save the patient data and add a stroke event. You should now be at the Add Stroke Event page. It is worth noting that the QuiCR Registry has a feature that searches for existing patients that are similar to the one that you have entered. If a match is found, you are able to select and edit that patient instead of duplicating him or her in the registry. You are now ready to add a new stroke for the patient. Please continue on to part 3.